So right now I want to talk a little bit about this sink baffle. So that's this black piece here. I always called it a sink gasket, but it's called a baffle. The official name is Quiet Collar Sink Baffle. So when you get these, there's a couple things that you should know about them. So they're kind of a universal size, about 3.5 inches here, 9 centimeters. They can install a couple different ways. So this is a replacement one that's just going to stick down here into the drain in the kitchen sink. The one that was originally installed installs from the bottom, and it connects from the garbage disposal to the sink here from the bottom. When that one was damaged, I actually just cut it out with a razor blade and put this one in its place, or in place of it. So the old one, there's still a little rubber piece here that you may or may not be able to see, and that is from the old one. But you can just get these replacements and you don't have to take out the entire garbage disposal just to put in the new one. So here's the new one. I'm just going to put it in place here. It's got kind of a ridge here, and that lets you know that that's just going to kind of push down into place, and then it kind of snaps into place. And there you go. So that's the new one in there. And these are nice because they just kind of act as a guard, a splash guard. So when you've got stuff in your disposal, stuff isn't just splashing out all the time. It also has a nice little rubber piece there. So when you put in your stopper, it creates a nice seal so you can fill up your sink with water. So there you go. That is how you replace the Quiet Collar Sink Baffle. And that's what these are called. They'll get damaged. I don't know what we do in our house, but this is the second one we've had. Basically one a year we're kind of going through here. They just kind of get tore up, beat up, stuff that just gets in the sink, maybe gets in the disposal when it's on, and it just kind of whips around and tears it up. But they're easy to replace. I grabbed it at the hardware store. I'm sure you can get them online. It's called a Quiet Collar Sink Baffle, and that is hopefully helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to check out some other videos. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.